Picture this. You've spent months creating YouTube videos and podcasts, pouring your heart and soul into them. At first, it feels exciting, but then reality hits. You can't remember when you said, it's something powerful. You have no record of what thumbnail worked best. You can't track which episode had the most views. And 6 months down the line, your own content feels like a giant black hole. One of my clients was stuck in this exact nightmare. They weren't just losing time, they were losing money because their audience never got to see their most valuable content again. That's when I introduced them to what I call the memory vault system. This automation tracks absolutely everything. When the video was posted, how long it was, what the title and thumbnail were, even the excerpt of the conversation and the number of views, every single detail flows automatically into a Google Sheet or Airtable with no manual work required. Imagine being able to pull up in seconds the exact clip where you talked about a life-changing insight. Imagine seeing at a glance which videos outperformed all the others and having a record of every single one. But here's where the real magic happened. Because we had all the data, we could build another automation on top of it. Every week, the system pulled the top performing clips and created a best of series. That meant new members who had never seen those videos before suddenly got access to the highlights that were proven to drive views and engagement. And each of those videos linked directly to products and services, creating consistent new sales without lifting a finger. The transformation was massive. Instead of wasting hours searching for old content, my client now had a growing library of evergreen assets making money in the background. Their sales increased, their content reach multiplied, and all of it was happening on autopilot. No expensive consultants, no endless trial and error, just one automation working quietly in the background, stacking revenue week after week. And let me tell you this, if they hadn't built this system, their best content would still be buried and forgotten. Their sales pipeline would be full of holes. They'd be stuck creating new content from scratch, burning out, while missing out on the easiest money sitting right under their nose. But because they had the memory vault system, their old work keeps paying them over and over. So if you've been feeling like your content disappears the second you hit publish, maybe it's time you had a system that turns every video into an asset that keeps selling for you. Because once you experience the power of automation like this, you'll never look at your content the same way again.